Hi, my name is Deva and this is my brother
George.
Today we are going to talk about our solar system. Before we talk about Mercury, let's talk about the inner planets and the outer planets. The inner planets are also known as the terrestrial planets, and the outer planets are also known as Jovian planets. Which are the inner planets? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. And the outer planets? Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
And Pluto.
Pluto is a terrestrial planet, not an outer planet. Okay?
Okay.
Now, let's begin with Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet and first from the sun and the second hottest.
Mercury is near to the sun.
Yeah, that's right, I said. It's closest to the sun. And Mercury is 800 Fahrenheit. And it is the smallest planet in the solar system. And it has a thin atmosphere. Right?
We already said Mercury is a small planet.
Okay. Now, moving on to the next planet, which is Venus. Venus is the hottest planet.
And it's closest to Earth.
Yes, and its color is
Yellow.
orange.
And it's same size of Earth.
Yes, it is closer to the Earth and same size to Earth. It is 880 Fahrenheit, which is same size of Earth.
Venus.
Now moving on to the third planet, which is Earth. Earth is the planet that we are on right now. Earth has one moon called the lunar.
No, moon.
We can call it lunar.
Okay.
Now, Earth has water and land. 70% of Earth is water and 30% of Earth
Island.
are land. There is 7 continents. That is Asia, Europe, South and North America, and Antarctica.
And Germany.
No, Germany is a country. And Australia.
Australia.
And some people would like to go to Earth's moon, right?
Earth's moon, yes.
Now,
Earth's moon is far.
yeah, far that the distance can fit the whole solar system, right?
Yes.
Now moving on to the next planet, which is
Mars.
Mars is a
red planet.
which has
2 moons and Phobos and Deimos. Their names.
okay. Mars is a red planet, and the Perseverance, the rover that landed on Mars 1 month ago, right?
Yes.
It is made by NASA,
NASA.
right?
Yes.
Oh, and UN has sent and satellite to Mars, which
Yes.
is home.
Home.
And China also did it, which is the satellite which is called Tianwen.
Tianwen.
Like what you said, Phobos and Deimos are the moons of Mars. They are ordinary shapes compared to asteroids.
Okay,
They're almost the same.
next. Jupiter.
No, before that there's something. Before the asteroid belt, now you know about the terrestrial planets. Can you tell me the terrestrial planets, Vedu?
Jupiter.
Hey, no. I mean the terrestrial, the inner planets.
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars.
Correct. Now let's moving on to the asteroid belt. The asteroid belt is located between Mars and Jupiter. Asteroid belt is also known as the junkyard of asteroids. And Jupiter is the one who is controlling the asteroid belt.
Yes. And Mars.
Not Mars. Mars is like a slingshot making asteroid going to Earth. Now, there's the biggest object in the asteroid belt is a dwarf planet called
Jupiter.
Ceres. Ceres is the smallest dwarf planet.
In our solar system.
Right. And Ceres is also dark and has bright spots around it.
Yes.
And today is 9 hours.
Yes.
Moving on to the next planet,
Jupiter.
Jupiter
biggest planet
that you know, right?
you know, yes.
Jupiter.
And Jupiter is bigger than every planet in our solar
That is,
system.
and it's the fifth from the sun.
Yes, it's bigger than Saturn too.
Yes, it is bigger than Saturn, and also has the biggest moon
Yes.
called
Called
Ganymede.
Ganymede. Ganymede is one of Jupiter's moon.
Yes, and Ganymede is even bigger than Mercury.
Mercury.
And Jupiter has a hurricane that lasts for a century,
Yes.
which is called the Great Red Spot, which is almost twice the size of Earth.
Earth in the opposite way.
And 1,300 Earths could fit in Jupiter. With now moving on to the next planet,
Saturn.
Saturn.
Saturn has the pretty rings.
that you know,
Yes.
and it is the sixth from the sun.
Saturn is a yellow color planet.
Yellow striped planet, okay?
Okay.
And Saturn's rings is made of dust
And
rocks.
ice. Dust and rocks and ice.
Did you know what is Saturn's ring made out of?
Ice, rocks, and dust.
You got it right. It is ice, rocks, and dust. Now, Saturn has the most moons. The second largest moon of Saturn, the second largest moon in the solar system is called Titan.
Titan, yes, yes.
But also bigger than Mercury
Mercury and Pluto.
and Pluto. Now, moving on to the next planet,
Uranus.
Uranus is seventh from the sun.
Uranus has a ring.
Yes, rings. Hi friends, we are going to move into Uranus.
Uranus is the icy planet.
One of the ice giants and the coldest planet in the solar system.
But Uranus has a ring.
Some rings that we cannot see.
Yeah.
And the biggest moon of Uranus is Titania.
Titania is the biggest moon. It's bigger than Mercury.
Not bigger than Mercury at all. And Uranus has rings that we cannot see. And its old name is Georgian Circe. Right?
Also known as George.
And it was known as the Greek god of the sky.
Sky.
And it is the seventh planet from the sun. And it is the coldest planet.
Coldest planet.
Moving on to the next planet, which is Neptune. Neptune is
It's a cold planet.
it's an ice giant
Like Uranus.
like Uranus. And Neptune is dark blue in color.
It has many moons.
But 14 moons. And the
14
biggest moon of Uranus is Triton.
Triton. Triton is the biggest planet.
Moon, okay? And Neptune has many storms.
Storms.
And the Neptune has a storm called the Great Dark Spot. And Neptune is the eighth from the sun. And it is dark blue in color that we repeat.
Repeat.
And the Neptune has winds that go very far. And the biggest wind of Neptune is the Great Dark
White
Spot,
spot.
which is the size of the whole Earth.
Earth. Yes.
And it has 14 moons that we
14
repeat. Now
Yes.
moving on to the
Next planet is Pluto.
Pluto is the smallest planet and also considered as the dwarf planet. Is it a planet or not?
Not.
Could be a planet.
It's not a planet, okay?
Pluto is one of the coldest planets. Or the cold. It is 5 billion kilometers from Earth. That is very far.
And it's far away to the sun.
Yeah, far from the sun. Now let's make a song.
Yes.
8 planets that orbit around the sun. is along. Venus, my atmosphere, super hot. I spin backwards in the way the Earth does not. I'm closest to the Earth in distance inside, but I got no moon and then got super pies. I'm Earth, the planet is on. You know, I'm still covered with A2. I'm collide with things that I can't avoid, but the atmosphere protects me from meteorites. On Mars, you could jump higher on me because I have the third of Earth's gravity. I hear you plan to visit soon. I'll be your first destination. Send the moon. I'm Jupiter with my 79 moon crew, like Io in S2003, J2. Yeah, I'm pretty large, twice the size of. There's a stone twice the size of a mama. My name is Saturn. Check out my pretty rings. These things are one of my pretty rings. Favorite thing. I'm a giant made of hygienic helium. And please stop hitting the thing. My name is Lynn. I'm an ice giant. That's dope. I'm the first planet found with a telescope. I rotate backwards and on my side. I cannot run it. The hydrogen sulfide. My name is Neptune. I'm the windiest planet around. I go supersonic wings. Not as faster than some. An ice giant with 13 moons. But now it's 14. And I'll go back and go very soon. And I'm Pluto. But Pluto's not in the song. And we're done singing the song. Vedu, can you ask me some questions?
Why Jupiter's the biggest planet?
Is it because it is made out of hydrogen and helium?
Yes.
Now, bye-bye. We are done talking about the solar system. We will talk about something about the dwarf planet, including Pluto.
Pluto.
Bye.